How to make money using ChatGPT. ChatGPT was launched on the 30th of November 2022, making all the chatbot users around the world scream wow. If you don't know about ChatGPT yet, first let me tell you how to get this, still free research version of the newest OpenAI Chatbot GPT-3.5. Visit chat.openai.com, and as your new user, you'll be directed to their registration page. There you can begin by logging in or giving a valid email address using a Google or Microsoft account. Then type a working phone number. Next, enter the code you get through text message to create an account. Once you're logged in, you will see that it's a simple interface where you can type. They will also have some sample questions for you to ask ChatGPT. First, try simple questions and get familiar with the interface. Don't worry, as it's easy as chatting with one of your friends. Now here's how you can earn using this amazing chatbot. Number 1. Create apps. ChatGPT is well known for its ability to write code. Since Stack Overflow, it's been the most amazing tool for programmers. Any utility tool can be created using ChatGPT. Start monetizing the app by signing up for Google AdSense for the web and Google AdMob for mobile apps. Naturally, to modify the code, add new features, compile and offer for sale, you must be familiar with the programming language. Number 2. Do assignments. There are various platforms where you can become a freelancer who's there to do assignments on behalf of the students who don't like, don't know, or don't have time to do their homework. So first, create a freelancer account in any working space like Fiverr, Upwork, or studypool.com, and get orders to do assignments on different topics. If you don't know much about the field, you can get help from ChatGPT and simply modify the answers before delivering. Number 3. Translation jobs. It's not necessary to learn a whole new language as long as we have Google Translate, but there are instances where Google Translate's not that accurate, and that's why people rely on human translators. If you have some basic knowledge about a given language but aren't that confident to find a freelancing job as a translator, now you have ChatGPT. With a simple command, it gives you the most accurate translation. So place your gig today and start working as a translator using ChatGPT. Number 4. Copywriting services. The simplest method to make money with ChatGPT is to offer copywriting services to businesses. Many businesses require assistance in developing persuasive copy for their goods and services and may require additional internal resources or knowledge. By providing copywriting services, you can assist companies in developing compelling and successful scripts that will help them accomplish their objectives. You will, however, need to have a firm grasp on the elements that contribute to the effectiveness of chatbot copy. Continue looking for novel ways to communicate with the chatbot on sites like Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and many more. You can utilize ChatGPT to write excellent copy that will help companies succeed with their products and services if you have the necessary knowledge and abilities. Number 5. Create content. You may also earn money by writing articles for blogs, websites, social media, and guest posting. The only thing you have to do is write posts and submit them to various websites or forums. Actually, what you'd really need to do is ask ChatGPT to write it for you. You'll get compensated for each accepted article. The articles will be published on the website or forum where they were submitted after editor approval. You'll be paid depending on the article's quality and other considerations like keywords. Those are some of the big things you can easily do using ChatGPT, but the list doesn't end here. With the help of ChatGPT, you can also write an ebook, poems, essays, and movie scripts of high quality, offer proofreading to correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors, create short courses and sell them, create YouTube scripts and make videos to either sell them or for your own channel, find names for businesses and get paid for your suggestions on different platforms, create and sell your own chatbots using ChatGPT. So that's all for today's video. If you made it this far, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.